Welcome to a new series called A to Z of AI, where daily we'll be discussing 5 key topics of AI from alphabets A to Z. Today's letter is I. I for input layer. In an artificial neural network, there are 3 main layers. The very first layer is called the input layer. This is where all your data gets fed into the neural network. Then comes your hidden layers. These are where all your neurons are. And then finally your output layer. I for instance-based learning. Instance-based learning is a learning method that stores instances of training data and makes predictions by comparing new data to these stored instances. A very good example of an instance-based learning is K and N, K nearest neighbors. Every time a new prediction is to be made, K and N compares that new data point to existing nearest neighbors and then predicts the new value. I for information gain. Information gain is a metric used in decision trees to determine which attributes should be split on to maximize the reduction in uncertainty. Information gain helps determine the decision tree to choose which feature to split that will give the most benefit. For example, in a decision tree for predicting loan defaults, information gain can be used to select the best attribute such as income or credit score for splitting the data. I for inference. Inference is the process of making predictions based on a trained machine learning model. After training a neural network on a data set of handwritten digits, inference would involve using the model to predict the digit in new, unseen images. I for imbalanced data set. Imbalanced data set is a data set where one class significantly outnumbers other classes, leading to biased model predictions. In a data set of fraud detection, for example, where only 1% of transactions are fraud, imbalanced data set can result in a model that predicts mostly transactions are non-fraud.